Alright, so the next technique I want to show you is, we call it bent wrist lock come along. I've used this at the jail many times when I worked there. Bent wrist lock come along, essentially you're bending the wrist down, applying pressure and pain to the wrist while giving them direction. So how do we get into this? So we start from our defensive stance from a 2.5 position. I'll do it first from the weak side, or my opponent's weak side. And as I step in, my left hand is going to reach over and grab this person's wrist with my hand on the back of his hand. My right hand is going to deliver a knuckle strike to the lateral thoracic. And what this does is this drives through so I can use my ridge hand to bend that elbow into my armpit. And then this naturally slides right up to join my other hand. With my feet, I'm going to step forward and switch so that he can't heel kick me in the groin. And then at this point, I tell him, get your other hand, put it on top of your head, do it now. Just like in before, or the last come along, I want to make sure I know where his hand is. Now, this elbow needs to be up and down. If I have it out like this, he'll slip out. I need to have his hand, or his arm, up and down, with that elbow into my armpit. And then I shuffle him along while giving him direction, and then using my shoulder, disengage and remove him. Okay, one more time. So on this side, I'm going to shuffle in. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, in, step. Other hand on top of your head, do it now. Shuffle through. Good. Coming back this way, if I were to approach from this side, it's just going to be exactly the opposite. My strong hand is going to grab his wrist, punching into the lateral thoracic using my ridge hand, bending that elbow, bending it over. Here, I've got now this thumb. Make sure the thumb is inside. Don't put it out like this, because he can grab his fingers and pull it out. I want to lock that in this way. Here. Now, other hand on top of your head, do it now. Good. I have this hand free if I need to, and I can start walking. Okay? So that is the bent wrist lock come along. Hey, thank you.